This is Rob2D from The Code Always Wins, and today I'm bringing you a significant update. I have the Arcade1Up actually streaming video to my computer, and this is real time. So there are some pros and cons to that, and I'm going to just show you guys real quick. So you can see my Arcade1Up here. Kind of set it up so that you can see what's behind here. Cleaned up a little bit as well, but yeah, forgive me for the lack of editing and just seeing something raw as I get things done, because I don't even have time for very much. And you know, my arcade has actually broken. The monitor went bad, and it actually had nothing to do with this. But let's get into the streaming, which you can see happening. And I have the audio off so I can talk, but let me put the audio on. You can see that the output actually has the volume indicator there. And I'm watching a match, and that's actually working fine. You might have seen a casting video this weekend or so. I guess I hit the limit. So there is a limit where I can record for like 3 minutes, and I had this running for a little while before I took the video. So that is one of the cons. Either way, like whether you're streaming or you're just saving the video. So, you know. But I think you can see the result is pretty good. Like, it's fluid, it's actually on point, like on time. The sound is coming from my Arcade1Up, which means that the video signal is in sync enough that you can watch the match in real time, and you could probably not even have to do anything crazy with, you know, syncing the audio and the video. Like if you have OBS and you just configure the audio input to the video input, it should be possible theoretically this way. The only thing that sucks again is the 3-minute time limit, and that's just like an Android thing. There's actually no way to screen capture in a super hardware native optimized way without that. I did try to play some games. The problem is that the lag is, you know, it does affect the CPU. So it's great for spectating, but you know, when you're streaming data like this off the board and it wasn't meant to do that, yeah, it doesn't go that far. So I'm just going to show you guys that, you know, this isn't BS and this is actually happening. I don't actually know who's playing. One of the things about streaming is that the video gets sort of like clogged up here, just from the decoding. So the algorithm isn't that great. But if you're recording a file, that works great. So once I get my monitor back, you know, I'm gonna hopefully be able to share with you guys how to actually do this, because I can't show you how I started to be able to debug and everything with things already on the screen, you know, like on the computer set up, and not actually starting from the Arcade1Up UI and whatnot. So I'm kind of working blind. It's pretty crazy. So that is pretty much it. You know, sorry for not being more concise and for not having time to edit. It's kind of like been 2 a.m. nights every workday, which I shouldn't do, but you know, finally made some progress, and it's pretty exciting. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated, and we should have a lot more stuff coming up soon, and I hope to show everybody, you know, how I'm accomplishing these sort of things, and I think it should be digestible, and I'm actually even gonna build some tools to make this easier. So I just hit my time limit again. That's one thing, you kind of gotta like know when you want to run your matches. I have a script here. So I did conclude there, but I'm actually going to conclude now. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this interesting, if you want to keep up with it, if you want to support it, if you want to see more of it, the least you can do is, you know, give me a little like there. But won't push you to subscribe, but that would be great as well. Shilling over here. and catch you guys next time.